Currently, electronics has been wiring up the spin decks up there. We just finished wiring it. Today we had to deal with a lot of motor issues. We didn't have the key in one of the motors, which caused a lot of issues, but we did fix that, and now it should be working smoothly. And yeah, that's mostly what we've been doing this week.
All right, so what we're currently working on is building a second trench. The first one over there is right behind Felix. Right now, we're measuring the pieces of wood to build that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're very locked in right now. As you can see, look at all the locked-inness going on here. So, yeah.
What's up, everybody? Today we're building the trench. We're measuring the wood for the trench right now. We're working on field elements. As you can see, behind here we have the hub. Very sturdy, very sturdy. Yep, we're working on the trench here. We got Leo measuring it out. Two people standing, helping. Yeah, really helping. Thank you.
Today, Build is doing a lot of stuff where at least my group is building the field elements. We're machining the last of the spin decks or spacers. Going pretty well. Working hard, hardly working. Yeah. And not much else.
Hi! Okay, so I just got here because it is the start of the meeting. And we don't have school tomorrow because they put an election. So we don't have school tomorrow. Yay! But also not yay, because that would have been Robotics Friday. But anyways, so business this week, we finished the executive summary. I don't know, that was this week, I believe. And we've been working on the impact essay. And I think we're making pretty good progress on it. We're organizing the structure, and we have all the categories listed out, and we're writing all ideas. And it's going very well. Can we do fit check, Rachel? Can we do fit check? Okay, fit check. Shoes I stole from my mother 3 years ago. Pants are from Old Navy 3 years ago. Blazer I also stole from my mother this morning, so not 3 years ago. So progress. Turtleneck that I got from Old Navy that I love. And then earrings are from my great-grandma. If we want, they're clip-ons, actually, because she couldn't do normal earrings. And then the jewelry on this hand is thrifted. It's the bangles. And then I have, antique mother, and then I don't remember these two. And people keep saying I look like Zoran Mamdani. But I appreciate that. I love Zoran Mamdani. Yeah, bye.
Okay, hello vlog. For our eagle-eyed vlog viewers, you may have noticed that Raphael has worn exactly the same outfit in all 3 of the past weeks of the vlog. However, today, completely unplanned, Raphael is wearing exactly the same outfit as me. Down to the letter. It's the same outfit. I don't know which of us that's worse for. Is it more embarrassing that I'm wearing the same outfit as Raphael, or that Raphael's wearing the same outfit as Rachel? What do you think, Raphael?
I don't know.
I think it's kind of lose-lose. You know what I mean? The resemblance is uncanny. If I stand on my tippy toes, you can't even tell the difference. No, didn't like that.
No.
How's code doing, Raphael?
We're doing pretty good. We actually have some cool simulation stuff going where we have driver assist to manually or automatically, assist them through the trench so that they won't hit the walls and won't crash the intake and won't break the intake. And just more subsystem and superstructure work. Yes?
Sure. Business, as you may have heard, finally finished our executive summary. We are starting the essay. We are ordering uniforms. Hopefully that should all be going well. We are filming the vlog on Wednesday today because we don't have school tomorrow for local elections, so getting it in early. Yeah, can't believe this is week 4. Oh my goodness.
We've been working on our autonomous paths, mostly implementing constraint zones, which you can explain.
Constraint zones, they're kind of put simply, they're kind of like areas where you have to go slower. They're like zones where the robot has to follow a certain other set of rules that you would assign to the area.
Just slowing down for intake and stuff. And yeah, we're also working on making full autos with combining our paths. And yeah, autonomous is going well.
Okay, hi vlog. I'm Connor, one of the code leads. This week I've been doing I feel like I'm in middle management because I'm doing administrative tasks for some reason. But no, it's been fun anyway. We've been doing some coding. We've been doing some simulation. We've been writing subsystems that we make a simulation of, and we can see the robot moving around on our computer, even if it's not built in person yet. And that's kind of super fun, and we're also working on the overall structure. Also, the funnest thing is the art rooms have been closed, and so we're in an entirely different room these days, and it's business CAD and code, and maybe it's a little louder, but it's such a fun vibe. I love it so much. And then the drive team form just dropped. I'm gonna apply. I'm probably not gonna get a position, but I'm super excited for competition. I'm feeling the vibes. Okay, see ya.
Hi guys, if you are a current member watching this, the Drive Team interest form is out now. If you're finding this information out through the vlog, you have a problem. Check Basecamp. If you want to be on Drive Team and aren't checking Basecamp, you have a problem. Check Basecamp. Thank you.
Hey, so right now we're working on creating a frame for the hopper and also to support the turret.
Yeah, it's just we're mating parts of the max tube to the drivetrain to create a frame so that the hopper stays a square. Yeah.
Hi. So CAD is finalizing some mechanisms. We've got a lot out to the CNC and through CAM, and we're kind of just trying to integrate everything together now, which is pretty challenging because we haven't really had a robot in the last several years where we really need to package much together. But that's presenting a new and interesting challenge. And also, we have the coolest shooter in all of Montclair Robotics history. So, yeah, locked in.
Hello, welcome to my weekly interview. I'm so busy doing CAD that I couldn't even get out of my chair. I'm here with the person sitting next to me, Lucas, also doing CAD. Lucas, how's the CAD work going?
It is going, I wouldn't say it's going at a speedy rate. It's slow and steady wins the race, you know. But also slow and steady makes you the punching bag of every other division's words, so.
This is kind of true, but except for the fact that we're going slow, we are not going slow. This is a lot. We're going very quickly. But yeah, how do you feel about all the divisions saying that they need more parts to machine?
I think they are very greedy and they are spoiled. You know, we could give them no parts, but we're just so nice that we give them as many parts as we can, you know.
Awesome. And whose Taco Bell drink is that?
That's Cooper's. I mean, it's Joaquin's.
Thank you, Cooper, for your sacrifice of your Taco Bell Sprite. It was delicious. All right, that concludes my weekly interview of sorts. I'll catch you on the flip.